Change is never easy, but always possible. Dare to dream, and have the courage to pursue those dreams. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. In the pursuit of justice, we must be unyielding. In the pursuit of peace, we must be unwavering. Unity is our greatest strength. Together, we can overcome any challenge and build a better future for our nation. The journey to success is often paved with hardships, but each challenge is an opportunity to grow and evolve. Compassion and empathy are the cornerstones of a just society. Let us strive to create a world where kindness prevails. Education is the key to unlocking the vast potential. Within every individual, invest in knowledge, and you invest in the future. Criticism is a stepping stone to improvement. Embrace it with an open mind, for it is through scrutiny that we refine ourselves. Life's challenges are not meant to break us, but to mold us into stronger, wiser individuals. Embrace adversity as a teacher, not an enemy. Leadership is not about dictating. It's about inspiring others to believe in a common vision and work towards a shared goal. True strength lies not in the ability to dominate, but in the capacity to empower others and uplift the collective spirit. Success is not just about personal achievements. It's about creating a positive impact that resonates beyond individual triumphs. Wisdom is not confined to age. It blooms in the garden of experience. Embrace each moment as an opportunity to learn and grow. In the pursuit of justice, let us not forget the importance of mercy. Compassion can be a powerful force for positive change. Strive for progress, not perfection. Perseverance in the face of setbacks is the true mark of a resilient and determined spirit. A nation's greatness is measured by the well-being of its least fortunate citizens. Let us build a society that leaves no one behind. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Stand tall in the face of challenges, for within you lies the strength to overcome. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Leadership is not about the next election. It's about the next generation. Never underestimate the power of a common man with a vision. Leadership is not about the pursuit of power. It's about the responsibility to empower and uplift those who look up to you. Change is uncomfortable, but stagnation is detrimental. Embrace the discomfort, for it heralds the dawn of progress and transformation. Success is not a solitary achievement. It's the result of a collective effort fueled by the passion and dedication of many. In the face of adversity, a resilient spirit becomes a guiding light, illuminating the path to triumph over challenges. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Face your fears head-on, and you will discover your own reservoirs of strength. Leadership is about fostering a sense of purpose and belonging, creating a community that works together towards a shared vision. Life's journey is unpredictable, but with purpose and determination, we can navigate its twists and turns with grace and resilience. Building a nation is not just about constructing infrastructure. It's about nurturing the minds and hearts of its citizens. Unity is not the absence of diversity, but the celebration of it. Together, we are stronger, richer, and more resilient. Leadership is not about perfection. It's about learning and evolving. Admit mistakes, embrace growth, and lead with authenticity. Empathy is the bridge that connects hearts and builds bridges between people. Cultivate it, and you'll sow the seeds of understanding. Success is not measured by wealth alone. It's about the positive impact we leave on the lives of others and the world we inhabit. Never underestimate the strength of a nation that values education. It is the foundation upon which progress and prosperity are built. In the tapestry of a nation, unity is the thread that binds diverse communities into a resilient and harmonious whole. Change begins with a vision, but it is sustained through the collective efforts of those who believe in the possibility of a better future. Optimism is not naivety, it's the fuel that propels us forward, even in the face of daunting challenges. Leadership is not a solo act, it's a symphony of collaboration. Success is achieved when each individual plays their part in harmony. In the pursuit of justice, we must be relentless. For a just society is the bedrock of lasting peace and prosperity. The measure of a nation's progress is not just economic growth, but the well-being of its citizens, ensuring no one is left behind. Perseverance is the bridge between dreams and reality. Keep walking, and you will reach the destination of your aspiration. True leadership is not about seeking popularity. It's about making decisions that serve the greater good, even when they are tough. Justice is the cornerstone of a society that values fairness and equality. Upholding it ensures the dignity and rights of every individual. Education is not just about acquiring knowledge. It's about cultivating critical thinking and a thirst for lifelong learning. Leadership is not about dominating. It's about empowering others to rise and shine, A true leader creates more leaders. Life is a canvas, and each action is a brushstroke. Paint a masterpiece that reflects your values, dreams, and the impact you wish to leave behind. Success is not a sprint, but a marathon. Pace yourself. Stay focused, and celebrate the small victories along the way. Leadership is not about self-aggrandizement. It's about being a humble servant to the people, working tirelessly for their betterment,